Friend, although we use cinnamon in everything, sometimes we use it as a spice, but we do have teas. But do you know what there can be such benefits from we can never think of such 5 benefits? I will tell you about this video. Then watch this video in its entirety and bring it into your daily life. Your body can benefit from it and get a good health. Welcome to Body Health Guru. I'm Rajneesh. So is the first one, it has antiviral, antibacterial and antifungal properties. Cinnamon is thought to have many medicinal and soothing properties and is used frequently in Chinese herbal medicine. So the second one contains antioxidants with anti-inflammatory effect. Cinnamon also contains large amount of polyphenol antioxidants. Antioxidants can help protect the body from disease. So is the third one. Its prebiotic properties may improve gut health. Some spices, including cinnamon, have prebiotic properties that promote the growth of beneficial bacteria and help suppress the growth of pathogenic bacteria. Therefore, including spice regularly in your diets may help improve gut. So is the fourth one, reduce blood pressure. There is some evidence to suggest that the consumption of cinnamon is associated with a short-term reduction in blood pressure. So is the last and fifth one, blood sugar and risk of type 2 diabetes. It has been suggested that cinnamon can have a moderated effect in improving glycemic control and supporting the management of type 2 diabetes. However, a small amount used at breakfast or in baking will not do any harm and can be eaten as part of a balanced diet. So if you like that kind of knowledgeable video, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.